Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the OPTIFINE mod for Minecraft with Linux and MultiMC. So first you're gonna need MultiMC, which I have right here. If you wanna know how to install MultiMC, there's a lot of videos on the internet on how to get those. But I am making this video right now because I have not seen anyone make a video on how to get OPTIFINE for 1.8 with Linux. This method will work from 1.8 till 1.12. Tell me about it if that's not the case. So anyway, we're gonna start with making a new instance. And we're gonna make it 1.8.9 because that's the version a lot of players play it. I call it YouTube tutorial. So we're gonna launch this instance right now so we can get the package from Mojang. Alright, so there's Minecraft. We're gonna quit game for now. Okay, so the next thing you wanna do, go to edit instance, version, and install Forge. You wanna take the one with the star because that's the most stable version at the moment. And press OK and it's installed. Next you want to go to OPTIFINE.net where you can install the OPTIFINE mod. You should not install the mod from any other website other than the OPTIFINE website. Links will all be in the description. So we're gonna scroll down 1.8.9, we're gonna get the latest one. We download OPTIFINE 1.8.9 and once it is installed, it's gonna ask us if we want to keep the file or discard it because it's a jar file and it thinks it may be dangerous. So you wanna press keep. Now you have OPTIFINE.shop. You just wanna go to loader mods, this tab, and you throw it in there. And now we press launch. If it's gonna crash instantly like it does now, it means that you do not have installed Java 8 or you probably have a higher version of Java. So you're gonna go to this website or you can install Java. It's one of these links. I personally used the Linux x64 link because I have a 64-bit computer. It may be different from you, just see what works. And I actually already have it installed. So I'm gonna right click it. I wanna extract archive here. Now once that's done, you're gonna get this folder GRA 1.8 ... So when you open it, you go to bin. Here is a Java file. So what you want to do is you go to this over here, the console window. You go to the settings tab, Java installation, browse. And you want to find the folder where you put it in. I put it in this folder called YouTube tutorial. So we're gonna open the folder. I don't know why the icons aren't loading at the moment. Just open the folder, bin, Java. So we now have this path, and if we press the test button, you can see that Java 1.8.0 is installed. That's the Java version they have at the moment. So if we are gonna launch the game this time, it should work. So as you can see, a Minecraft folder has popped up. This time there's the Forge loading screen. So it's gonna take a little longer to start Minecraft up now. Video settings, we have the OPTIFINE settings. Videos on what the best settings are for higher performance, you can also find on the internet. Just go look for them. So I'm gonna quit the game now because it's one laggy mess. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe if you want to, I guess. And if this was helpful, be sure to share it with other people who also have Linux and have problems installing OPTIFINE. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!